Hello family. So something very quick I wanted to share with you, and I haven't done one of these lives like this in a really long time, as you guys know. But this was just happening at the back of my mind, and I've just come out of a WhatsApp conversation with somebody, a Telegram conversation with somebody, and the way the conversation went and the way I handled it is something that I thought I just want to share with you guys. So here's what I wanted to share. There is wisdom and there is maturity in dealing only in the currency of peace. I'll say that again. There is wisdom and there is maturity in dealing only in the currency of peace. What does that mean? When you are in the conversation or in a conversation, an exchange or a relationship, and respect is no longer being served, leave the conversation or leave the room. Unambiguous. One of the problems in the world today is that people think, for whatever reason, that respect is a negotiable. People think that respect is a form of weakness. That if I respect you, I am therefore weaker than you. Respect is about the acknowledgement of the dignity of the other person, right? So if I'm driving down the freeway and I take an off-ramp, say, and there's somebody on the traffic light who, has a little board with a sign up, and they come to my window, there is a way that I have to communicate with them. Whether or not I'm going to give them money or give them any way to help, there is a way to address them that gives them respect. Where they are financially or in society is not a function of how I treat them. Do you understand? Respect is so here's what I'm saying. The minute respect is not being served, leave the conversation. Leave the room. Guys, here's why this is important. If you are with somebody and they disrespect somebody in your presence, it's a question of time until they disrespect you in somebody else's presence. Disrespect is like a odor. Once a person has it on their body, it's very difficult to wash off. So when you are wise and your spiritual eye is opened and you can see how you move in the world, when peace is your most important currency and you don't negotiate your peace with people, respect is a non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Now, some of you watching this want to fight for your respect. That's the next point I want to make. We don't fight for our respect. This isn't a rap video. You are not MC such and such. This is real life. So we're not going to fight for our respect. We're not going to argue for our respect. We're not going to drop bars for our respect. We're not going to reply to tweets or WhatsApp statuses for our respect. When you can't serve respect, I serve you disconnecting from my life. When you can't serve respect, I serve you ignoring you out of my life. When you can't serve respect, I serve you are non-existent in my life. That is the only way to negotiate with disrespect. The only way to negotiate with disrespect is to ignore it. The only way to negotiate with disrespect is to kick it out of your life. Remember that no matter where in the world you go, your being respected has nothing to do with your age, your qualifications, your finances, or even what stage of life you're at. It has nothing to do with what phase of life you're going through. Your being respected is just about somebody acknowledging your dignity as a fellow human being. And if somebody disrespects you, that says everything about them. You never need to reply. You never need to respond. You simply walk away. Finally, the beauty of life is this. At almost every single instance, when somebody disrespects you, it's a learned behavior, and it's only a question of time until they're going to attract people who are like them, who will disrespect them in kind. Ungazehlisi, as we say in isiZulu. Don't reduce yourself. In the words of Michelle Obama, when they go low, go high. Do not ever reduce yourself. All right, family. That's it. You guys have an amazing, amazing Monday. Cheers.